Town and Country Lovers Part 1. Part 1 introduced Doctor Franz Joseph von Leinsdorf, a native in Austria who had worked in many places, namely Peru, New Zealand, and the United States. His hobbies were skiing, music appreciation, and reading the poetry of Rainer Maria Rilke. He had stayed in Africa for almost 7 years due to the shortage of skilled manpower. He, as a senior, was very interested in underground water courses. Though he is thought not unattractive by the female employees of the mining company, none has been invited to go out with him. He lives alone in a 2-room apartment. As Leinsdorf was occasionally doing his shopping, he cannot find his preferred razor blades in the racks. A colored woman, who was the cashier, offers to see that the stock is replenished before his next visit. One evening, as he was arriving from a trip, the cashier told him that the blades have arrived. Seeing that his hands were full of his bags and cases, she offers to take them to his apartment. After she had delivered his razor blades, she declined his offer for a tip, so he asked her to accompany him with a cup of coffee. After that incident, she now brings his groceries 2 or 3 times a week. He gives her chocolates, and she sews a button on his trousers. He touches her, commenting, Leinsdorf is impressed by her small and finely made body, her smooth skin, the subdued satiny color of certain yellow wood, and her crimped hair. The two became lovers. Soon she was suspected by the caretaker and tells the caretaker that she is only Leinsdorf's servant. Nearing Christmas, 3 police officers arrive and announce that they have been observing Leinsdorf's apartment and know that he has been living with a woman. They searched the apartment and found her in the bedroom closet. The couple is taken to the police station for a medical examination. Leinsdorf's lawyer bails them out and the girl returns to her mother's house. Though she confesses that they have had an intimate relationship, the magistrate discharges both of them, for the authorities failed to prove the violation.